Number 1. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Number 2. Where do you go to school? Where do you go to school? Number 3. Hi, can I get a coffee, please? Hi, can I get a coffee, please? Number 4. He is cheap. He is cheap. Number 5. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Number 6. Do you know birth control policy? Do you know birth control policy? Number 7. Do you have a dash cam? Do you have a dash cam? Number 8. I can't agree with you more. I can't agree with you more. Number 9. Stay out of this. Stay out of this. Number 10. Do you take credit card? Do you take credit card?